I had a call from one of our tenants today who said that property's not being repaired by the landlord and that the recourse he wanted to take was not to pay the rent for the month. To which I very simply responded that Gandhi once said that an eye for an eye and the world would go blind. Very simply put, you can't make a wrong a right by doing wrong as well. So, simple response to a situation like this is that you continue to uphold your obligations under the agreement, whereby the tenant was advised to continue to pay rent. And if after not having the recourse required, very simply put together a T6 form and file it with the Landlord Tenancy Board. This is the correct procedure when it comes to having the tribunal involved in having the repairs made or ordered. In the event that you don't do this and the matters can't be resolved and you take matters into your own hand by, for example, not paying rent, you may end up in a situation where the landlord may actually have grounds to evict you as the tenant for being in breach of contract. So again, an eye for an eye doesn't make the wrong a right. Go through the proper channels. There are very unique situations where tenants will say, we're not comfortable paying the rent to the landlord. There are opportunities, depending on the scenario, to actually pay the rent into the court rather than the landlord, so that you're not in breach of contract and you can continue as required. I hope this video helps. We'll see you again on the next one.